I don't have any clue about how to be barista, but here I am, starting from scratch, only using ChatGPT and Short for a reference. First thing first, let's get my setup ready. The most important thing for a barista, you got it, the espresso machine. I got the laundry machine on Amazon and it was around $100, a good option for noobs like me. The espresso machine is the most important part of being barista. It takes hot water and pushes it through coffee using high pressure. This process can make a strong, rich espresso with a nice creamy top, like crema. Without an espresso machine, you can't make a real espresso, only regular coffee. So if you want to make a good espresso, you will need an espresso machine. Then, if you're making espresso, you're going to need a grinder. The grinder is just as important as the espresso machine. It turns the whole coffee bean into a small even piece. Freshly ground coffee makes a big difference in flavor. If the coffee is too fine, it will taste bitter. If it's too coarse, it will taste weak. A good grinder gives you control of the grind size, which means better espresso. This is why you should always grind your coffee fresh right before you make it. So I went with this Cuisinart grinder that was around $70. This will work. Can't be a barista without the right tools, right? I grabbed a latte art kit from Amazon. It comes with all the basics I need to make espresso, and hopefully some latte art going too. At the end, to make my life easier, I got a few extras. An espresso scale for precision, a coffee storage container to keep my beans fresh, few syrup dispensers for my designs, and some cups. And that's it. This is my barista setup at home. Nothing too fancy or crazy, but it'll get the job done. Next up, learning to make the perfect espresso. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.